Oh my god! What's up, everybody? It is Glitch and Squiggly, and we are Squiggly and Glitch back with another video for you. Alright, so farting is getting really big on our channel. We are getting a lot of requests for farts. I don't know why. Farts are so amazing. So Squiggly and I, we have created our slime fart challenge. We are going to make farting sounds with our slime. Are you ready? What?
Well, first of all, we didn't make this.
No, we didn't.
We got it. I got it from off the walls. So.
Oh, you won it?
Yeah. No, I didn't win it, but.
No, did you win it?
No,
Oh.
I bought it with my tickets.
Oh, same thing. All right. Okay. All right. So, are we ready?
Yep.
Let's make some fart sounds. Let's put. Oh, and we have our super fancy, super high expensive, sensitive, super duper microphone right here to capture our farting sounds in all its glory. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Oh! Okay. What does that sound like? That fart? What did it sound like? What did you just have?
I think it mostly sounds like gear farts all the time.
Oh my gosh. Okay, but if I were to fart,
That would happen.
let me try this. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ooh.
Ugh.
Ooh. Gosh. Ooh. Here we go. Oh god, I am so sorry. I don't know what I ate. I think I had cereal and pickles for lunch. That's what that was for. Okay, here we go. This is. What did I just eat?
At least 100 pickles.
100 pickles? Okay, this one is gonna be. Here we go. This one's gonna be. That one was Lucky Charms, pickles, and ice cream. Yeah. All right. And
Bad combination.
okay, here we go. Ready? Oh! That was.
First it sounded like diarrhea, and then it sounded like TNT. There's a time, and then
Oh!
see what I mean? At the end, it always sounded like TNT exploding the farts.
This is horrible. Oh my god! This is nasty. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh my god! I gotta go to the bathroom. Open the door. Open. Oh no. What do you think, Logan? You like the fart sounds?
No.
No. Hey, are you okay in the bathroom? No.
Very dry.
Yeah, here you go. Here.
Wait.
He knows how to do it. He's the expert. He knows how to prepare his slime for the most maximized fart capability. Oh.
You're my face.
It's cold. It feels like farts. Oh, God.
And it's a real fart right now.
Oh, you just farted? Oh my god, it smells! Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe our videos. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!